recently I found out about this dog food produced by a company called Chippin, woman-owned company, which is great. And they use sustainably sourced proteins from small to mid-sized farmers and fisheries. And those proteins are crickets and spirulina and something called silver carp, which they source out of the state of Michigan, my home state. So I decided to give it a try, or I should say, let JD give it a try. You think so? You want to do that? You want to try this, JD? All right. JD, do you like this chicken dog food? I'm thinking you like silver carp. That's what this is made of. Because you licked all of it and you're still continuing to lick the bowl? Yeah, I call this dog food a definite win.